Most executives believe stress is the enemy, but a small group of top performers discovered something very big. They don't eliminate stress, they convert it into power. Quarter-end deadlines, board pressure, consistent viability. For newly promoted executives, stress doesn't fade, it multiplies. Most wellness advice tells you to slow down, disconnect, or find balance. But during quarter close, that advice collapses. A leadership strategist working with senior executives noticed something strange. The best performers weren't calmer, they weren't avoiding stress. They were doing something completely different. He called it pressure innovation. Instead of trying to remove stress, the system teaches executives how to redirect it. Pressure becomes a signal, a focusing machine, a performance amplifier. Most executives respond to stress by overworking, more hours, more meetings, less recovery. But biologically, that approach destroys decision quality. Stress without structure becomes chaos. Executives using pressure innovation became seeing results faster. One finished quarter end 2 days earlier. Another stopped having panic responses in leadership meetings. Several were promoted again within their first year. Pressure innovation works because stress is not really harmful. The nervous system responds best to predictability and control. When pressure is structured, the brain shifts from panic to precision. Here's the truth no one tells executives. Stress won't disappear as you rise. The higher you go, the heavier it gets. The only choice you got is how you respond to it. Subscribe for more insights about stress management and stress reduction and meal preparation.